Okay, that's all welded off. Back bike build part 2. I've got these forks off a Suzuki TL1000 and I need to make them fit around this 33-inch four-wheel drive tyre. So let's get started. Here we go, these TL1000 forks are clamped up in my little homemade clamp here. I haven't made the pivot point for it yet, but that's kind of how it's going to sit. I'm not 100% sure where to make the pivot and the rest of the frame yet. What I might do is fill in a bit more of this piece, just to give me a bit more of an idea. Good way to clean up aluminium, you just let your chickens eat it all. Smart, mate. I've got my sheets cut out now. I'm going to put a crease in this one, but what I might do is just give it a bit of a score with the grinder to help it bend a bit. I want to see if I can flip this up without breaking this tack. Yes. There's actually a lot of room in here, almost too much room. I was going to have the roof quite high, but it feels kind of comfortable to slouch down a little bit so I can sit lower. Look at this clamp situation here, just to get that tack on there. Why is it so hard? Back sitting in my tub. I've made a front piece here. I've got a few bends in it to increase its strength. It's about time I work on the steering stem, I think. Alright, we're out in my junk tent. No power out here. I got sponsored this EcoFlow a little while ago, and it's just so handy, mate. Link in the description. Wondering why this is not coming off. It's got a little clippy thing on here. So my plan was to cut the neck off it and throw the rest of this away and make my own little subframe for the front here. But check this out. It's almost the perfect size to fit in there. I just need to put this in the press to make it a little bit narrower. Or who needs a press? That worked great. That's so good. So last video I talked about having a jack shaft here where we step down to that sprocket, a jack shaft and then this sprocket, and then do another big one on the back. But I've drawn up a sprocket with 110 teeth on Fusion 360. You make it into a flat pattern, save it as a DXF, and I'm going to fit that here instead and send it out to the laser cutters. DXF file is what they read. Got some hillbilly maths here. Okay, so the standard bike's outside wheel diameter is 600mm. The bike goes 200k. The back sprocket is 45 tooth. I want to go half that fast, about 100k. So that's already makes it up to a 90 tooth. And then the other tyre is bigger also, 1.4 times bigger. So times it by that, 126 tooth, but I've gone for about 110. So it should be 120, fudge the numbers a bit, down to 110 equals perfect. Alright guys, I might call it there for this video. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you like the outro. See you next time.